Hello, my name's Malia. Today we're going to talk about orthopedics. Orthopedics pertains to bones, ligaments, tendons. Most orthopedic conditions are the result of fractures. Fractures can be the outcome of motor vehicle accidents, falls, sports injuries, anything that applies a force to the bone that is greater than the strength of the bone. Fractures can be closed, as in the bone doesn't penetrate through the skin. Open, also known as compound, so the bone penetrates through the skin. Green stick, where they'll have a fracture on one side and the bone bends on the other. This is typically seen in children when their bones are still soft. A comminuted fracture is when there is more than two pieces of bone fragment. A displacement indicates that the bone ends are separated or shifted away from each other. Breaks are further defined by the type of fracture line. Line can be complete as it goes all the way through the bone. Incomplete, also known as a hairline or a crack. Transverse line is across the bone at a 90-degree angle to the bone axis. Oblique is a slanted or diagonal line. And a spiral fracture is a twisting fracture caused by a torque stress. Pathological conditions such as cancer, tumors, osteoarthritis, osteoporosis can weaken bones and make them more susceptible to fractures and injuries. Osteoporosis is a bone deterioration which results in loss of bone density. Osteoarthritis is a non-inflammatory degenerative disease that deteriorates the joint cartilage and causes the highest rate of disability, usually affecting the knees. Osteopenia is a reversible bone weakness and is a precursor to osteoporosis, however, can be resolved or staved off with diets, exercise, and other treatments. Heterotopic ossification is the formation of bone tissue in soft tissue and is usually a result following a traumatic injury or insult. The formation causes pain, limits range of motion. General signs and symptoms of a fracture are localized pain, deformity at the site of injury, edema, and bruising. General signs and symptoms of arthritis are joint pain, redness, swelling, and joint stiffness. Thank you for listening.